na reaction lang, nanalo kayo, kani-kanina lang. Fan Army face-off ng Billboard.
Stell's genuine reaction to 18 winning Billboard Fan Army face-off. Yeah.
Yeah, super happy. Nung una po, parang sabi ko, siguro hindi na to magiging hindi na to ma-hype. Kasi last year nangyari na.
I'm pretty sure SB19 is super happy, all the members and the way 18 worked hard. Wow.
So feeling namin hindi na siya ma-hype this year. Pero knowing 18, talagang gagawin nila lahat para lang mapakita yung love and support nila. Super thankful and super happy.
And Stell knows it. He is talking about it. He knows what 18 did. It's magical. It's amazing.
Nanalo ulit kami this year. Parang last year, di ba? And this year. Super happy. Thank you 18. Talagang #1 kayo, pinatunayan nyo na kayo ang dedicated fan. Isa kayo sa mga dedicated fandom dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Sana di kayo magsawa at mapagod kakakut-kut ng cellphone nyo every time na may voting. And thank you. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.